how to use your left hand to play bass. You will be using these 4 fingers: index, middle, ring, and little. We are going to name them as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you will place your thumb behind the neck, here. Don't do this or this. No, you have to place it here. And with your fingers, you will be using this part of the finger. So, we will start with the exercise. Let's pick this note, 4th string, 3rd fret. We put the finger and play. Then we are going to play on the next fret with the 2nd finger. So pay attention, this is important. Notice that the 1st finger, I hold it in its place. I won't do this. No, because it helps the other finger, and then 3rd finger, it's the same situation, and then with the 4th. This is a bit difficult because there is this tendency of doing this. So you will have to make an effort and try to lift your fingers like this. It will be difficult at the beginning, but with practice you will be getting used to it. So we have done this. The next step, going down to the 3rd string and do the same. 2, 3, 4. Then you move down here to the 2nd string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally the 1st string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have done all this, you are here. 1st string, 6th fret. Then you will have to go backwards. When you go backwards, it is not necessary to leave the fingers pressed against the fingerboard, because if you do it that way, you will obtain always the same note. So here you can loosen your fingers like this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So up to here we have all this. Going up, going down. We have done the whole exercise, so now we can move to the next fret and do all the exercise again. I'll show you fast. Then you move here. Here and here, etc. This way you will make sure that you do the exercise several times and it will be more effective